Because we are neurodivergent, we think differently, we act different, right? We present differently. Our communication skills and needs are different. Our sensory needs are different. I interviewed a woman a couple days ago who's a chief marketing officer at a really impressive big tech company, and she has ADHD, which is autism ADHD. AUDHD, and she said, I often wear sunglasses in the office because the fluorescent lights really, really are hard for me. They give me migraines. I can't think well. And she's like, at first my team thought it was weird, and it is a little bit unusual, but now they're used to it, right? So
Yeah.
we we all try to fit in, but sometimes we need what we need to do a good job. And that's great. And I think that you and I both want to get to a place where people get what they need at work so they can be awesome.